Birds, fascinating creatures that inhabit our planet, are not exempt from the threat of infectious diseases. One such disease is avian influenza, also known as A, which can have serious consequences for both birds and humans. Avian influenza viruses come in various subtypes such as H5N1, H5N3, and H5N8. These viruses have the ability to rapidly mutate their genes, making them highly adaptable and potentially dangerous. Avian influenza is found worldwide, but the prevalence of different subtypes varies across regions. These viruses can be classified into two categories based on their impact on poultry. 1. Low pathogenicity avian influenza, LPAI, typically does not cause any symptoms in birds. 2. High pathogenicity avian influenza, HPAI, can result in severe symptoms and high death rates among affected birds. The high pathogenicity avian influenza, caused by influenza A viruses, poses a significant threat to bird populations. The H5N1-GD lineage virus emerged in China in 1996 and has since spread across continents in several waves. It has led to the culling of millions of poultry worldwide, causing immense economic losses. But avian influenza doesn't stop at birds. Some subtypes of HPAI, such as H5N1, H7N9, H5N6, and H9N2, have infected humans. Egypt has reported the highest number of human cases, with 359 cases documented until 2022. Human infections usually occur through direct or indirect contact with infected poultry or contaminated environments. The symptoms of avian influenza in humans can range from mild respiratory illness to severe pneumonia, sepsis, organ failure, and even death. Subtypes like H5N1 and H7N9 have particularly high fatality rates among humans. Wild aquatic birds, such as ducks and geese, serve as natural reservoirs for avian influenza viruses. They can carry the virus in their intestines and respiratory tracts without getting sick. However, domesticated birds, including chickens, ducks, and turkeys, can be severely affected. The impact of avian influenza on global health is multifaceted. It poses a threat to human health, challenges public health surveillance, and has the potential to trigger a pandemic. Countless efforts have been made to prevent and control avian influenza outbreaks. Early detection, culling of infected birds, and strict biosecurity measures are crucial to limiting the spread of the virus. Avian influenza outbreaks can have devastating economic consequences, particularly in countries heavily reliant on poultry production and trade. Estimates suggest a potential decline in global GDP and